What do you think is responsible for this? Let's just lay the foundation first.
Thank you very much. And yes, I was here where we've discussed security, and incidentally, in previous times, I think about a year ago, if I recall precisely, December last year,
Yeah.
when there was a heinous attack, and I think about 100 people were killed in Plateau State. We had a discussion. Before then, we've discussed the issue. So what are the triggers and drivers of the security situation in the north central part of Nigeria that has kind of made Plateau State a melting pot of these challenges? Essentially, it is an identity-based crisis. There are groups that, in one way or the other, they have common features, maybe because of their profession, or because of their ethnicity, or in some instances because of their religion. They are tied to a particular interest, and for some very odd reasons, the leadership have not been able to foster harmony among these different identities. And so from time to time, you see the attempt to project that interest resulting in conflict. Now, there are other underlying factors that make the conflict result into the fatalities that we're seeing. Number one is what is the elephant in the room as far as I'm concerned: poor land governance policy. Till date, and even as we're discussing, the land governance policy is not advocating harmony. It is not inclusive, it is not equitable, it is not effective. Land titling has not been done in spite of the constant statement coming from officials that it is about land grabbing. Yet the titling of the land has not been done. And even where it's done, there are concerns that it's not equitable. So clearly, it's not supporting this diverse interest. Second point is proliferation of small arms and light weapons. It's, in fact, it's documented, and I'm sure you've covered it extensively. In several instances, local factories for the production of weapons have been discovered in the plateau. Purchase of weaponry is quite common in the plateau, in several communities, whether the hotspots or the not so hotspots, including educational institutions.